What's up, family? Okay, I just had to come back because I've been working since I got out of my trade earlier, and but I've been just watching, watching price action. And one of the things that I realized that I forgot to do was to add the new week opening gap. And once I added it, I was like, oh, price was basically consolidating on the new week opening gap. So if you recall, when I was in the trade, and I don't know, it was maybe somewhere up here, I was like, let me move my stop from midnight open up to here, which was fine because it would have been a nice profit, and it just retraced up back up to the new week opening gap, and it's just been in this $19 range basically all day. Was it 19? About 19, 21 once we made that went to midnight open. So I just been watching it, and I was like, so I think I got stopped out. I want to say I got stopped out up in here. So if I never moved my stop from up here, I would have been fine. And it went to my ultimate target. So I'm like just recording this video because I want to tell myself that just trust yourself, trust the chart, let your orders work, and everything will be okay. So while I was watching this, one thing I noticed is we had a YouTube model here on the, I think you could see on the 1 minute, the displacement. I mean, it doesn't look how we normally like to see it, but you know, and it came up to this fair value gap, but it looks better over here, and it worked. Whether or not it's the model or not, it worked. So um we had this displacement down, fair value gap, retraced into it, and went straight to the midnight open. So like that's the kind of trade that I was looking for this morning. That was 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. And I was in that trade for an hour and a half, and I was just in all this mess here. So um but I also want to point out how important it is to have midnight open on our charts, because I mean, look, it just hit it and reversed, and I mean that's good enough for a turtle soup if you ask me. uh we do that. What's our little draw? I mean, like if we had our, not that I would have done it, but I'm just observing in hindsight. Even if we tried turtle soup there and had a 5 point stop loss right up in there, it would have worked out. And, just I would just take it back up to the midnight open, not thinking that it's going to reverse all up here and take out all this buy side liquidity. It could. I mean, the way it's reacting, but it's annoying to, be trying to trade in this, and then you see this kind of volatility kicking in, especially in the last, 10 minutes or so of the market. And I think, ICT would basically say, even though this was a good trade, it was just, you just had to wait, but, when we don't see good setups and volatility and all of that, it's just like come back in the afternoon session and see what you see. So not only was this setup here that would have given 10 points in, oh no, I'm sorry. Only 7 points in 30 minutes. And then, I mean, look at the turtle soup. Insane. So say we got in here, and then, 10 points. Took out these highs right here. So anyway, I just wanted to record this to say, wow, what a day. Who knows what the New York session is going to close at, but I mean, we're taking out all this liquidity. Man, could you imagine? Let's see if we see on the 1 minute anything. I mean, I guess the most I would see is, we broke this high, have a fair value gap, and then this came in right here. But, I think the target would ultimately be either these highs up here or the new week opening gap. So that's not a whole bunch of I mean, unless you're using leverage, that's not a whole bunch of 5 points. So anyway, wow, what a day. So my lessons today were trust my analysis, be patient, let the stop loss and the take profit do the work. You know, and consider just not trading in chop like this, just waiting for you know, the afternoon session where price came down, took out these lows, hit midnight open, and then, you know, straight reversal. So that is on the 15-minute candle. That's amazing. Already, you know, 15 points. Retraced almost the whole session in 15 minutes. That's insane. That's beautiful. That's the kind, like that, this right here, this is what we want. Look at this. That's what we want, not trading this stuff. So when the New York session, when the AM session is poo, wait for the PM session. Look at that. Amazing. Retrace the entire, and where did it go? Straight back to the previous day high at market close, New York session. So we still got another hour worth of trading to go. But that was beautiful. Look at that, was so beautiful. I'm so glad we watched this together. Oh God, something happened with my computer when I hit the table. But yeah, look at that. A whole 18 points in 15 minutes. Awesome. Anyway, thanks for listening. Hope you had a good trading day today. Give me a shout in the comments. Let me know somebody's out there. Okay. Take care. Bye.